Hi guys, kumusta? Nag-harvest na guys, muna mong saging guys oh.
Within 3 months. Mr. God.
Ikan 3 months guys, muna mong harvest. Kaba 100 ka bulig. Alright guys. Tara manager guys.
Hey guys, harvest na kita guys. Within 3 months.
Muna mong saging guys. Wala mo itong likod. Kaya guys, muna mong saging nagdulom. Alright guys, nagdulom. Pag 15 ang kilo guys. Nasa 1,000 kilos budget ang wala ni. Estimate 1,000 kilos. Mawala guys, kung update. Harvest ng saging.
Bitaw niya, magsitiyo, magtimba.